You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Turkish professional football player. If you want to learn more confusing names from soccer, football, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in Turkish. He plays at the Juventus. Kenan, Turkish pronunciation, how to pronounce Kenan Yildiz. Kenan Yildiz. In English, you can pronounce it as Kenan Yildiz. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.